In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and run the Figmotion plugin in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate Figmotion through Figma's interface and launch it smoothly so you can start animating your designs without any friction. First, locate and click the action icon. This is the quick way to command Figma to find tools and features for you. You'll usually see it in the top area of the interface, represented by a search or lightning style symbol depending on your theme. Think of it as your command center. One click brings up a search field that filters through menus, plugins, and widgets. If you're already in your design file, this is the fastest path to what you need. With the action interface open, search for Figmotion. Type the word Figmotion clearly and give the search a second to populate results. Spelling matters here. Even a small typo can hide the result. If you've used Figmotion before, it may appear right at the top. If not, it will still show up once the results fill in. Keep your hands on the keyboard to move quickly, but don't rush. Accurate input saves time. Next, click on Plugins and Widgets. This category helps you filter out unrelated commands and narrows the results to the tools you can run inside your file. Choosing this category is important because Figmotion is a plugin and this view puts it front and center. If you see multiple entries, the plugin label will confirm you're in the right place. Now click on Figmotion. Select the item labeled Figmotion from the list. You'll often see a short description or the developer name that can help you confirm it's the animation tool you're expecting. A single click highlights it and prepares it for launch. Then click on Run. This action tells Figma to open Figmotion as a panel or modal attached to your current file. You don't need to change files or switch windows. The plugin will open within your existing workspace. If you're following along, make sure you click Run rather than just highlighting the plugin name. Finally, wait for it to load. You may see a brief spinner or loading message. The first launch can take a moment as assets initialize. Be patient and let the interface appear fully before clicking around. Once the panel is ready, you'll be able to start setting keyframes, animating layers, and exploring Figmotion's timeline controls. That's it. Simple, clear, and reliable. Follow these steps anytime you need to access Figmotion, and you'll be up and running in seconds.